In this video, we are going to see patterns. Patterns are the one where the same objects keep on repeating and we can easily predict what comes after. In this video, I am going to show you different color patterns. Come, let us make a color pattern. So here I have a pattern where the blue and orange colors are repeating. Blue, orange, blue, orange, blue. So can you guess what comes next? Yes, it is orange. Here the colors are repeating and you can easily predict what comes after to the orange color too. These are called as color patterns. We can use many colors in this pattern. Now let us try one more color pattern with two colors. Here I have made another pattern where red and green colors are repeating. Green, red, green, red, green. So can you guess what comes next? Yes, it is red. Here I have made a pattern with three different colors. Purple, orange, blue. Purple, orange, blue. Purple, orange. Can you guess what color comes next? Yes, it is blue. So we can make different patterns with many colors, many shapes or of different objects. So patterns are the one where you can have as many objects you want, and patterns are the one where the things keeps on repeating and you can easily predict what comes after. Thank you.